Have you ever experienced food poisoning? Food poisoning is due to contamination of food with bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Foods such as fresh poultry, fish, and meat have a relatively short period of time before it expires due to bacteria such as Pseudomonas, Lactobacillus, and E. coli. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, estimates that the impact of foodborne diseases in the US results in 76 million of sick people, 325,000 hospitalized, and 5,000 deaths annually. As technology progresses, food preservation technology also improves significantly. Techniques such as curing, salting, freezing, pasteurization, and packaging increases food longevity for safe consumption. For the past decade, the use of nanomaterials for food packaging is increasing. One of them is active packaging. Active packaging does not only act as a barrier, but also exhibits antimicrobial properties for added protection against any bacteria that manage to penetrate. Metal nanoparticles exhibit potent antimicrobial properties. Among them, silver nanoparticles is demonstrated to have the most effective bactericidal properties against a wide range of pathogenic microorganisms such as bacteria, yeast, fungi, and viruses. In 1000 BC, Phoenician people have been reported to utilize silver vessels to store water to discourage contamination of microbes. During World War I, silver became commonly used in medical treatments, such as those of wounded soldiers, to deter microbial growth. There are several mechanisms on how silver nanoparticles kill bacteria. Silver nanoparticles can first bind to the cell and impair transport activity. The other mechanisms involve penetration of silver nanoparticle into the bacteria's cell. The nanoparticle can either interact with the bacteria's DNA or cause oxidative stress to proteins and lipids within the cell. According to a study, the presence of silver nanoparticles in food packaging of minced meat slowed down bacteria growth significantly, extending the shelf life of minced meat that is usually spoiled after 2 days of storage in common food packaging. In another study, a polystyrene silver nanocomposite significantly inhibit the growth of pathogenic bacteria such as E. coli, Salmonella, and yeast. Since this technology is still new, it is extremely important to assess hazards and risks caused by potential migration of packaging constituents into food for consumer safety. Nano-sized particles from the food packaging is known to migrate into the food medium. High levels of silver compounds have been reported to potentially cause breathing problems, as well as lung and throat irritation. As a conclusion, nano-silver including containers are innovative concepts in active food packaging, which helps to prolong the shelf life of food and the quality maintenance. Thank you.